Guys, it's here. It's here. It's 4 days late, but it's actually here. Holy shit. I don't think this looks right. Alrighty, time for like the real iMac this time. $2,000 of computer. I have intentionally not watched any videos or anything related to this because I want a pure, fresh, raw first impressions with this machine. So here we go. Oh, the seal has been undone. Does the stand cost extra? Oh no, it's upside down. All right, let's do this. Ooh, I like that. The box pushes outwards so you can get in here and lift it up. Oh, holy shit. That is light. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we've got our power cord over here, woven and color matched to the stand of the iMac. How long is this? That was like 2 meters. We got the other half of the power brick, and this is about 1 meter. Ooh. Oh, okay. We're gonna save that one for last. So we got the Magic Keyboard with the Touch ID sensor up here. It's a physical button. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice the way the light starts to hit it. I like that. A little Magic Mouse in this nice little cloth sack. Still got the stupid charger on the bottom. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. That's great. I love that. Also bought the Magic Trackpad with it. Got the orange around the sides. Lightning on the back. This is the most interesting part, honestly, in my opinion. Color match, braided lightning to USB-C cable. Both tips are orange, and it's a nice pale orange color to match the bezels, or the chin, I should say. The bezels are a light gray. And do we get anything special in our oh, we get color matched Apple stickers. Oh, I love those. All right, I think I've edged you guys long enough. No, I've edged myself long enough. Here we go. Oh, that's so light. That's so light. That's scary. You guys are gonna see this before I do. Ooh, there's a bunch of peels on this. All right, start with the back. The back's got a nice peel. Oh, I love it. There's a peel under the stand. All right. Peel around the sides. Oh man, this goes all the way around. And now, the best part, peel the front. It still amazes me how light this thing is. That's stupid. So what do you say? We plug her in now? Get her all set up, see what she can do? Or do we want some booty pics real quick? That's just hot. All right, enough tech porn. Let's get her plugged in. Here we go. First boot. Oh. It was gonna do the hello and it didn't. All right, we gotta shut it back off. Way to do that again. Oh, it does it in all kinds of languages. All right, well, I'm gonna cut the camera and I'm gonna go download some stuff on this. We'll see how she runs.
Later that same evening.
Alrighty, 4 hours, 1 shower, and plenty of benchmarking and playing around with this thing later. I love this. I love this thing. All right, I know we're all itching to get to the benchmarks, so let's get that out of the way. Geekbench 4. Thing scores 5710 single core and 22986 multi-core. That outpaces my gaming PC. That thing is built to perform. Actually, speaking of building, I'm gonna have a video on me building it coming in like the next month or so you can subscribe for that. The gaming PC is a desktop Ryzen 5 3600 that's water-cooled. Geekbench 5, it gets even better. Geekbench 5 is 1732 single core and 7670 multi-core. That's like a whole 1,000 multi-core points better than my PC. My gaming PC is built to perform. That thing, it's no slouch. And this brand new iMac just waltzes on over, lifts its leg, takes a fat dump on it, and walks away. Wow. And keep in mind, this is entry-level laptop hardware. Like this is it. This is as bad as Apple Silicon's gonna get. It's only up from here. Now in Cinebench, because it's an integrated GPU versus a full fat GPU, it does fall behind, but it still clobbers everything else that I own besides my gaming PC. Cinebench R15 sees 1033 CB, and Cinebench R20 sees 2192 points. And I only heard the fans turn on once. This is what they sounded like. This is the loudest the fans get. I haven't heard them go any louder than this yet, and I've been trying to benchmark this for like 3 hours now. Like gaming, you know that thing that you're not supposed to do on a Mac? Like Minecraft. I don't know how much of gaming Minecraft is. This is video from me playing on one of my worlds with a notoriously laggy base. Like I have 7,000 item frames or something. Like entities kill Minecraft. And this thing's chugging along 24, 25 FPS. Again, on par with my gaming PC, with an 8GB GPU and a 6-core 12-thread CPU. This is stupid. As far as the looks so far, it's growing on me, you know? Like, I didn't know how I'd feel about the bezels. You know, again, like they're kind of growing on me. I don't know what it is, but it just, you know, and I know a lot of people say the contrary to that. They're like, oh, white bezel, whoa, why? I kind of like them. The orange, you know, I might be kind of biased because my whole branding is orange. I kind of like it. The color matched accessories, the color matched braided lightning cable, color matched braided power cord, like this is an experience. And I know that's what most Apple products are supposed to be, it's like an experience, but like this is something else. I really don't know what to do with this. Like I've got so much horsepower now, I don't know what to do with it. Like, do I start shooting 4K? Like, this thing just slaughters my MacBook that I use to edit pretty much everything. What do I do with it? Like, I'm not even scratching the surface of this thing's potential. Like, what, seriously? Like, I don't know what to do with this. So far, I'm loving it. It's been like 4 hours. Plan on coming back in a couple weeks, maybe like 3 or 4. After I've had some time to like really edit some videos on it. Right now I've just kind of put my thumbnail and an intro for this video together on it. But yeah, stay tuned for that. It should be, like I said, probably within the next month or so. God, I love this thing. So there you guys have it. That's my first impressions of the iMac. I hope you enjoyed, because I did. I really enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment what your preferred flavor of the iMac is. I'll catch you guys Friday. I think I'm gonna upload 2 videos this week. See you guys then.